I love that Pfaff still includes printed manuals with their sewing machines. On the Pfaff Expression 3.5 sewing machine, though, the owner's manual is shared between two models. So if you think you don't have something, it might be because it's on the other machine that's featured in here, and that's the Quilt Expression 4.2 model. So just kind of keep that in mind as you're looking through here. But you're going to be able to really easily follow along with our videos, plus all the definitions of the stitches, how to thread it, how to program the memory. There is all sorts of things that I think make a lot more sense after you watch some of our sewing mastery videos to help you learn this machine even more, and then use the manual as a nice reference. Now, on the Pfaff warranty, you'll want to go ahead and go online and register your machine at pfaff.com. That's the easiest. This machine does come with a 20-year warranty, 5-year warranty on circuit boards, and 1-year limited warranty on parts and labor. So if for any reason you need to ask questions or if something's not working, make sure you contact your local Pfaff store and see if something could be fixed if you need that. And they are there to help you with all of your questions regarding service. And speaking of service, don't forget, have your machine serviced once a year. Every store does it a little bit differently, but once a year to take care of this machine. It will last you a long time if you just keep up with that basic servicing, whether you're using it or not. So let's get into all the fun things that this machine can do.